Verifying your bank account on GOG.com is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to certain features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your GOG account. Visit the GOG.com website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the account settings menu, find and click on the payment methods section. This is where you can manage your bank account information. Step 4. Add your bank account. Click on the option to add a new bank account. Enter the required information, including your bank name, account number, and any other necessary details. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank account information, follow the prompts to confirm and verify your account. This may involve receiving a verification code via email or SMS, which you will need to enter to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified on GOG.com, allowing you to make secure transactions. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GOG support for assistance.